Hello, everyone. Today, let's dive into the fascinating astrological world of one of Hollywood's most iconic stars, Tom Cruise. From his groundbreaking roles in action-packed films to his enigmatic personality, how does the universe shape his journey? Let's explore his astrological profile and uncover what the stars say about his mission, possible or destined by fate. Born on July 3rd, 1962, in Syracuse, New York, Tom Cruise is a Cancer Sun, a Virgo Moon, and a Leo Rising. Each of these placements plays a pivotal role in shaping the layers of his dynamic and multifaceted personality. Let's start with his sun sign, Cancer. Cancer individuals are known for their deep emotional intelligence, strong family values, and a keen sense of intuition. Tom Cruise's ability to connect emotionally with his characters and audiences alike might stem from this placement. The Cancer Sun also highlights his protective and nurturing instincts, which could explain his dedication to his loved ones and his work. Next, his Virgo Moon. Virgo Moons are detail-oriented, analytical, and highly self-critical. This placement might contribute to his perfectionism and relentless drive for excellence, traits that have undoubtedly propelled him to the top of Hollywood. It also suggests that he values practicality and structure in his personal and professional life. Now, let's talk about his Leo Rising. Leo Risings are natural performers. They exude charisma, confidence, and a commanding presence, making them impossible to ignore. For Tom Cruise, this placement explains his magnetic on-screen persona and why he has consistently drawn audiences for decades. Leo Rising individuals also crave recognition and thrive in the spotlight, perfectly aligning with his career as one of the most bankable stars in the industry. When we consider his overall chart, we see a complex interplay between his emotional Cancer core, his methodical Virgo Moon, and his bold Leo Rising. This combination might also explain the dichotomy in his public image, warm and approachable, yet intensely focused and determined. One notable aspect in his chart is the influence of Saturn, the planet of discipline and responsibility, which amplifies his work ethic and commitment to his craft. However, it can also bring challenges and intense periods of self-reflection, possibly influencing the personal hurdles he has faced over the years. Tom Cruise's chart also highlights a strong connection to Neptune, the planet of imagination and creativity. This aspect enhances his ability to embody different characters and connect to universal themes in his movies. To sum it up, Tom Cruise's astrological profile is a testament to his resilience, ambition, and magnetic energy. His Cancer Sun gives him emotional depth, his Virgo Moon drives his perfectionism, and his Leo Rising ensures he shines on every stage he steps onto. Whether his mission is possible or fated, the stars suggest he'll always approach it with determination and charisma. What do you think about Tom Cruise's astrological chart? Does it reflect the qualities you've seen in his career and public persona? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more celebrity astrology insights.